Hello and welcome to troubleshootingyourpc.com. Today I want to show you how to use indents and tabs in Microsoft Word. Indenting text adds structure to your document by allowing you to separate information. You can use the tab selector and the horizontal ruler to set tabs and indents. Before we start, if you can't see the ruler, select the View tab and then click on the checkbox next to Ruler. Alternatively, you can click on the small button on the right side to view rulers. Let's try to indent only the first line of each paragraph. This helps to visually separate paragraphs from one another. It is also possible to indent every line except for the first line, which is known as a hanging indent. A quick way to indent is to use the Tab key. This will create a first line indent of ½ inch. Place the insertion point at the very beginning of the paragraph you wish to indent. Press the Tab key. On the ruler, you should see the first line indent marker move to the right by ½ inch. The first line of the paragraph will be indented. You may wish to have more control over indents. Word provides indent markers that allows you to indent paragraphs to the location you desire. The indent markers are located to the left of the horizontal ruler, and they provide several indenting options. We have here first line indent marker, hanging indent marker, left indent, to indent using the indent markers. Place the insertion point anywhere in the paragraph you wish to indent, or select one or more paragraphs. Click, hold, and drag the desired indent marker. In our example, I will click, hold, and drag the left indent marker. A live preview of the indent will appear in the document. Release the mouse. Now the paragraphs have been indented. To indent using the indent command, you can select the text you wish to indent. On the Home tab, click the desired indent command. Increase indent will increases the indent by increments of ½ inch. Decrease indent will decreases the indent by increments of ½ inch. In our example, I will increase the indent. You can see the text has been indented. To customize the indent amounts, select the Page Layout tab and enter the desired values in the boxes using indent. In the next session, I'm going to show you how to use tabs. By default, every time you press the Tab key, the insertion point will move ½ inch into the right. Adding tab stops to the ruler allows you to change the size of the tabs. And Word even allows you to apply more than one tab stop to a single line. For example, On a resume, you could left align the beginning of a line and right align the end of the line by adding a right tab. I'm gonna move the year using the right tab. Pressing the tab key can either add a tab or create a first line indent, depending on where the insertion point is. Generally, if the insertion point is at the beginning of an existing paragraph, it will create a first line indent. Otherwise, it will create a tab. Let's move to the tab selector. The tab selector is located above the vertical ruler on the left. Hover the mouse over the tab selector to see the name of the active tab stop. The types of tab stops include left tab, left aligns the text at the tab stop. Center tab, centers the text around the tab stop. Right tab, right aligns the text at the tab stop. Decimal tab, aligns decimal numbers using the decimal point. Bar tab, draws a vertical line on the document. First line indent, inserts the indent marker on the ruler and indents the first line of text in a paragraph. Hanging indent, inserts the hanging indent marker and indents all lines other than the first line. On the bar tab, first line indent and hanging indent appear on the tab selector. They are not technically tabs. To add tab stops, select the paragraph or paragraphs you want to add tab stops to. If you don't select any paragraphs, the tab stops will apply to the current paragraph and any new paragraphs you type below it. Then click the tab selector until the tab stop you wish to use appears. In our example, we will select the decimal tab. Click the location on the horizontal ruler where you want your text to appear. It helps to click on the bottom edge of the ruler. You can add as many tab stops as you want. Place the insertion point in front of the text you wish to tab, then press the tab key. The text will jump to the next tab stop. And how to remove tab stops. To remove it, click and drag it off the ruler. Thank you for watching our video.